Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to isolate voice from background noise in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Scroll down. Locate and click on audio and visual. Now scroll down again. Locate and select. Locate and turn on add voice isolation. Now, to isolate your voice from background noise each time you have an incoming call on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and pick up the incoming call, swipe down the control center, locate phone controls, click on it, set this to voice isolation. Once that is set to voice isolation on your phone, then go ahead and continue the call. Once you're done, end the call. And then when next you want to have any conversation again, the voice isolation is going to be added automatically. So there won't be need for you to go through the whole process again. And then you are good. So that is basically how to isolate voice from background noise in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.